pretty horses out there. What's going on, guys and girls? I'm out for a lunchtime ride. You know, I haven't been out on the bike for, well, I was going to say a little over a week because of all the weather we've had. Been nothing but rain, rain, rain. You see people's yards need to be cut now. Not that I mind riding in the rain, but it just doesn't make for great videos. Beautiful sunny skies, a little bit of clouds. That's a lot more pleasant to watch. Some rolling hills there. I don't know if you caught it or not. Oh my. It's like somebody discovered some tires. Tire farm. Big tree fell over. Missed the house, luckily. Oh man, it's almost perfect weather for camping, where it's not too hot and humid. There's some pretty rolling hills. So who among you is excited about the new GoPro Hero Max 2 coming out at the end of September? I was looking at it. It kind of looks promising in a way. Got a couple of concerns. First of all, does it have cooling fins on the body? And if so, how hot do those get, right? I mean, can you imagine you're doing some really great recording, 360 recording, and you're like, oh, I gotta change the battery, and you grab the body of it and get a little burns on your fingers. Maybe it doesn't get that hot, who knows? Other concern I have with it is it really going to be that great of resolution? It says it records true 8K on 360 degrees, and any one direction is 4K. I don't know, man. I don't know.